Hi everyone, welcome to another interior design tips video. We are well into February, and if you live in the Northern Hemisphere, you might know something about the winter blues. This video is all about what you can do at home or to your home to help you get through the long months of cold and dreariness that may actually affect your mood. The winter blues are commonly associated with feelings of sadness, lethargy, fatigue, weariness. The key to getting through this time of year is to keep things light, bright, and tidy. Sleep and movement is also very helpful. With all of that in mind, today's video is all about how you can tweak your home and optimize your spaces to help you manage those feelings. I'm also going to tell you how I'm managing my own winter blues by partnering with a special app called the Yours app. The Yours app offers an ever-expanding self-care content right on your phone. And let's face it, the best way to take care of those winter blues is self-care. From meditation to music, this app has so many things that can help you feel more relaxed, get better sleep, and move your body with amazing yoga classes, all focused on your own wellness. As I go through my tips for you and your home, I'll point to some areas in the Yours app that has helped me. If you're interested in the app, head to the link in the description below where you'll be able to claim a 60% discount on a year-long subscription. You'll benefit from all the app has to offer, and I think you'll really enjoy it. I'll tell you more about it as we go along. Also, I want to mention that having the winter blues is different than seasonal affective disorder. Here's a simplified expression of the difference between the two. So if you feel you may suffer from seasonal affective disorder, also known as SAD, some of these tips that I'm going to talk about may help you, but you really should talk to your doctor as you may need more specific and directed help. The biggest thing to combat the winter blues is access to light. The main reason we have winter blues is because we get so much less sunlight in the winter months. So making sure your home is light filled is a huge wellness benefit. Keep drapes and blinds open to allow as much light as possible. You can even invest in smart blinds that open automatically at scheduled times to maximize your daylight. Maybe you need to move your furniture around to allow more light to come into your space near windows or patio doors. Or position your furniture so that you can benefit from the light. For instance, move your desk closer to a window. Or have your morning coffee in a more light-filled spot. These are temporary changes. You can move them all back in the spring. Having enough light if you work from home is also important. Make sure you're not in a dark room. This will help your energy levels throughout the day. Look into light therapy, where you can buy a device that mimics natural daylight. You can buy light bulbs that imitate natural light as well. These would be great in your kitchen or at your desk. And make sure you actually do go outside as much as possible. Think about ways to enhance your balcony or porch if you have one, so that it entices you to spend more time outdoors. Clearing the snow and some cozy blankets can go a long way. All you need is about 10 minutes. Optimizing your bedroom is paramount in the winter months. The winter blues can really affect your emotional and mental state. I'm a nighttime warrior. When my head hits the pillow, that's when my brain starts to go round and round in never-ending loops of worry and anxiety. So a solid sleep routine is really important. Better sleep means our brains can actually rest and recover for the next day. The Yours app has a whole section of sleep aids with sleep stories, sleep music, even ASMR. They even have a children's section. I especially love the meditation sessions as part of my sleep routine. They really help my brain to wind down. In combination with your sleep routine, your bedroom should be optimized for sleep. So even though light is important throughout the day, when it's time for sleep, you'll want the darkest room possible. Make sure you have blackout blinds. These are really helpful in keeping the room dark. Keep your bedroom temperature cool overnight between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature range helps to facilitate REM sleep. You also want your bedroom to look and feel cozy and comfortable, which is fine since the temperature will be low. Layer up pillows and throws on your bed. Just seeing that cozy bed will trigger positive sleep motivation. Do laundry more often. Clean sheets can make your bed super inviting. And doing the laundry actually makes your home smell fresh too, so it's like a 2-for-1 benefit. Add a scented diffuser with lavender oil or cedarwood or bergamot. Check out this video if you want more design tips specifically for bedrooms and getting your best sleep. I'll have the link below. I think this time of year is the best time to declutter and undecorate your home. That's right, Un-decorate. Once the holiday decor is gone and boxed up for another year, this is a great time to evaluate your home's decor. Did you know that too much clutter can elevate your stress and anxiety levels? Maybe you've got too much stuff, maybe too many knickknacks, too many colors or patterns. Now, you don't have to go full minimalist. Maybe use a calming, soothing color palette and remove items that don't fit that concept. Turn books backwards so that the colorful spines are no longer visible. This is temporary, of course, but it really does look less busy. Look at removing things that don't belong. Time to donate items that don't bring you joy anymore. Or look for boxes and baskets to hide some of the smaller stuff. Just look for ways to tidy up and unclutter your home. It really does help ease your mind. Even if you don't have a lot of knickknacks hanging around, you may want to organize your closets. Maybe it's a good time to evaluate your wardrobe and donate items you haven't used in a few years. Opening up a closet that is in full chaos mode can really set the tone each morning when you're getting ready for your day. Look for ways to create more open space, clear space, breathing room. It will help you breathe more easily too. I think it's important to make your home a living, breathing reflection of you and your needs. You can always bring all of it back in a few months' time. Yes, add life to your home. How do you add life? Music can lift our spirits, so set up a comfy spot where you can enjoy your own special playlist. Or any hobby like painting or knitting. Reading can also take you away from the dreariness of the season. Make space in your home for things that you love to do. Make space for artwork. Adding art to your walls can bring joy, but also it's a reminder of who we are and what we love. Adding life can be done by adding houseplants to your home. Plants are a reminder of Mother Nature, bringing the outdoors into our homes, but they can also help improve the air quality as well. Another way I love using the Yours app is through their music section. They've got so many types of music to suit your mood. You'll find music to help you focus, music for relaxation. They have ambient music too, with sounds of nature, ocean music, and even city hustle and bustle tracks. These have been really helpful for me when I'm researching and writing scripts for my videos. It's great background noise. Hey there, did you know that you can get personalized interior design advice from me? I offer up 30-minute design consultations. All you need to do is head over to my Patreon page for all the details. Plus, are you enjoying this video? Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment if you struggle with the winter blues and how you help yourself through it. I'm sure we can all benefit from more tips and advice. Exercise and any physical movement is beneficial every day, but especially during the winter months. When you're feeling tired and lethargic, it's easy to just curl up and do nothing. But movement can release endorphins that help elevate our mood. Plus, it's just really good for you. Making space for movement at home is important because the winter weather can really hamper your activities outdoors, or even just getting to the gym. I love dedicating a small spot big enough for a yoga mat or an exercise mat. You don't need a lot of space. Just make sure you have it ready to go as a reminder, so that even if you have to break up a 30-minute session into 3 smaller 10-minute sessions, it can still provide lots of benefit. Have I mentioned that the Yours app has loads of yoga classes as well? From beginner to advanced levels, classes for children as well as pre- and postnatal classes. I love that at any moment I can just take a few minutes and move my body in a mindful way. Maybe your space for movement can double and become a space for tranquility. The Yours app has wonderful meditation classes, which has been shown to improve your anxiety levels. But even if you've never meditated before, my absolute favorite part of the Yours app is their breathing clocks. You can select a different breathing technique and follow along, from calming your breath to focused breathing. Definitely dedicate a nook with lots of daylight, maybe some plants, maybe with some aromatherapy, and make sure it's just big enough for you and your thoughts, and focus on breathing, meditation, and or movement. And finally, with every home comes home projects. It could be a room you always wanted to paint a special color, or new shelves in the bathroom, or a new kitchen backsplash. Keeping yourself busy and focused on a specific task or project can actually keep you happier than being idle. Take a look around and find something that you can tackle during the winter months. Just painting alone can be a great way to change the whole feeling of a space and give you a renewed sense of what your home is to you. So here's your takeaway. The winter blues are commonly associated with a change in your mood and lower energy levels during the winter months. But not only can your home be your refuge, it can also provide you with spaces that will help you get through these dark and dreary months. Your home can make way for more light, give you a bedroom for your best sleep, reflect a tidier version of your home decor, celebrate artwork, plants, and music, allow and encourage movement and tranquility. Your home should change with your lifestyle and your needs. In fact, your home is a reflection of who you are every season, every day. Don't forget to go back and watch this video here, Bedroom Design Tips for Your Best Sleep. I'll have the link below. Also, if you're interested in everything that the Yours app has to offer, you'll love having this mindfulness app right on your phone. It's available for both iOS and Android, and if you want to relieve stress, learn yoga, improve your sleep, or just simply relax, you will find it all in the app. It's one of the best mindfulness apps I've ever used, and I think you'll benefit from it as well. Head to the link in the description below to claim a 60% discount off a full year subscription. If you need personalized interior design help from me, head to my Patreon page. I've got lots of tiers, including one where you can schedule a one-on-one video consultation with me. My patrons and I have tackled so many projects in the last few months. Head to patreon.com/designchickee for all the details. And a big shout out to my patrons. Thanks for watching this little design tip. I'll have lots more design tips just like this one coming soon. So don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button so you don't miss the next video. Leave your comments below and let me know how you combat your own winter blues. I'd love to hear your tips. And as always, if you like this video, please hit that like button. It helps to grow this channel. See you soon.